Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add a YouTube video in Google Sites. First, visit sites.google.com, then enter the website you want to add a YouTube video on. Now, scroll down where you want to add your YouTube video and make sure that you are in the Insert tab. Scroll down to YouTube, click on it. A new window pops up. Search for your YouTube video here and select your video just like that and hit insert. As you can see, my video was added for me. Before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my Google Sites online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Google Sites, building content, for example, how to write articles and upload videos or photos, also enhancing your Google Sites, like how to add an image carousel, a video background, a WhatsApp link, Facebook pixel, also publishing and managing, customizing and advanced features like how to add sitemap to Google Sites, additional features like how to rotate images on Google Sites, how to resize images, print Google Sites. Also, another category of monetizing your Google Sites, for example, how to promote affiliate links on Google Sites. Special use cases for Google Sites, like how to use Google Sites to make a portfolio, a blog, a gaming website, how to create a login page, and finally managing your Google site, like how to index your Google site and also how to export it. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now, don't forget to hit the publish button to save your changes. Click on publish again and let's view this website live. Scroll down, and this is how to add a YouTube video in Google Sites. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.